Ever wondered how digital marketing services can skyrocket your business growth? In today's hyper-connected world, digital marketing services are not just a luxury, but a necessity. They're the engines driving business growth, transforming brands, and setting trends. This video will guide you step by step, unraveling the complex web of digital marketing services, from SEO and PPC to content marketing, social media, and even email marketing. So, are you ready to dive deep into the world of digital marketing services? Stay tuned. Digital marketing services are the secret ingredients to successful online visibility. They act like the special spices in a gourmet dish, each contributing to the overall taste, yet unique in their flavor. Let's start with the basics. What exactly are these services? Well, they are a collection of strategies designed to increase your online presence, improve your brand's reputation, and drive traffic to your website. They include search engine optimization, or SEO, pay-per-click advertising, content marketing, social media marketing, and email marketing. Picture SEO as the foundation of your digital house. It's the process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results, making it easier for potential customers to find you. Just like a solid foundation is essential for any house to stand tall, SEO is crucial for your online presence. Next, we have pay-per-click or PPC advertising. Imagine it as the flashy signboard outside your digital shop, attracting passers-by. It's a model of internet marketing where advertisers pay a fee each time one of their ads is clicked. Essentially, it's a way of buying visits to your site rather than attempting to earn them organically. Content marketing, on the other hand, is like the interior of your digital shop. It's about creating and sharing valuable free content to attract and convert prospects into customers, and customers into repeat buyers. The type of content you share is closely related to what you sell. In other words, you're educating people so that they know, like, and trust you enough to do business with you. Social media marketing is your ongoing conversation with the world. It involves creating and sharing content on social media networks to achieve your marketing and branding goals. It's like the friendly shopkeeper who engages in active conversation with the customers, creating a personal connection. Lastly, we have email marketing. Picture it as your personal invitation to customers, inviting them back to your shop. It involves sending emails to a group of people, promoting your business, and building relationships. Now, aren't you curious about how each of these services works? Let's delve into it. Imagine Google as a vast, crowded marketplace. How do you stand out? SEO and PPC services are your answer. SEO, or search engine optimization, is like being the most attractive stall in the market. It's about making your website more appealing to search engines, so you rise to the top of the search results. When customers search for products or services you offer, SEO ensures you're the first thing they see. It's like having the best location in the market, right at the entrance where everyone walks in. But how does SEO work? It's all about keywords, quality content, and link building. Keywords are the phrases people use when searching online. By using these keywords strategically in your content, you're telling search engines that your website is a relevant result. Quality content is vital too. The more useful and engaging your content is, the more likely search engines are to rank it higher. And finally, link building. When other websites link to yours, search engines see it as a vote of confidence, improving your site's credibility and rank. Let's not forget about PPC, or pay-per-click services. Think of PPC as buying a billboard in our marketplace. You pay a fee each time someone clicks on your ad, which appears above the organic search results. PPC is a fast-track way to visibility. It's about choosing the right keywords, setting an appropriate budget, and creating compelling ads that make people want to click. So what are the benefits of SEO and PPC? They both increase your visibility online. SEO is a long-term strategy, gradually improving your ranking over time. PPC, on the other hand, offers immediate visibility for your website. Together, they ensure your business gets noticed in the vast online marketplace. In essence, SEO and PPC are about more than just visibility. They're about attracting the right customers at the right time with the right message. They're about turning casual browsers into loyal customers. So SEO and PPC services help you become the most visible stall in the marketplace. But what about engaging your customers? Let's move to that. What keeps your customers coming back for more? engaging content, and strong social media presence. Let's dive right into the world of content marketing and social media marketing services. They're like two sides of the same coin, both essential in retaining customers and building brand loyalty in today's digital landscape. Content marketing revolves around creating and sharing valuable, relevant, and consistent content. It's more than just producing articles or blog posts. It's about telling a story, your story, in a way that resonates with your audience. It's about crafting infographics, videos, podcasts, webinars, any medium that helps convey your brand's message effectively. This is where the magic happens. When done right, content marketing can transform casual visitors into loyal customers, and loyal customers into brand advocates. But quality content is only half the battle won. How do you make sure your content reaches your desired audience? This is where social media marketing services come in. They're your gateway to the world, your megaphone that amplifies your message. Social media marketing isn't merely about posting updates on Facebook or tweeting a couple of times a day. It's about engaging with your audience, starting conversations, and building relationships. It's about understanding the nuances of each platform. It's from the casual tone of Instagram to the professional vibe of LinkedIn. It's about knowing when to post, what to post, and how to post to maximize engagement. But don't be fooled into thinking it's easy. It requires a deep understanding of your audience's behavior, preferences, and pain points. It's about leveraging analytics to make informed decisions. It's a game of strategy, creativity, and patience. Together, content marketing and social media marketing services form a potent combination. They help your brand tell captivating stories, engage in meaningful conversations, and build lasting relationships with your audience. Remember, in the digital world, out of sight often means out of mind. Consistent, engaging content, coupled with a strong social media presence, can ensure that you remain at the forefront of your customers' minds. Content and social media marketing services keep your customers hooked, but how about keeping them in the loop? Enter email marketing services. Email marketing services are your ticket to maintaining consistent customer communication. These services are all about nurturing leads and customer retention. Think of them as your online postman, delivering customized messages directly to your customer's inbox. What makes them so important? Well, they help you keep your audience engaged. They offer a platform for sharing updates, offering discounts, or simply reminding customers about your brand. More than just a promotional tool, they also serve as a channel for building relationships with your customers. Moreover, they provide valuable insights. You can track open rates, click-through rates, and conversions, which can guide your future marketing strategies. The beauty of email marketing services lies in their adaptability. They can be tailored to fit any business, whether it's a small bakery or a large tech company. Email marketing services ensure your customers never miss out on your latest offerings. But how do all these services come together? Let's wrap it up. The magic happens when all these digital marketing services harmonize. And that's precisely what we're going to delve into in this part of the video. Picture a symphony with different instruments all playing their unique parts. Each instrument is vital, but it's when they all come together that you truly experience the full depth and beauty of the music. Similarly, digital marketing services like SEO, PPC, content marketing, social media marketing, and email marketing each play a crucial role, but it's in their synergy where the real power lies. An integrated approach to digital marketing allows each service to amplify the others, creating a more robust and effective strategy. Let's put it this way. SEO can drive organic traffic to your website, but without compelling content, visitors might not stick around. And even if they do, without a strong social media presence, you might miss opportunities to engage with them further and build a loyal community. Now, let's sprinkle in PPC services. These can put your brand in front of a larger audience, but without a well-optimized website and enticing content, the conversion rates might not be as high as you'd like. Lastly, let's not forget email marketing. It's a fantastic way to keep your audience engaged and informed. However, without the other elements driving traffic and generating leads, your email list might not grow very quickly. So, you see, each of these services supports and enhances the others. It's like a well-oiled machine where every cog is essential. And when they all work in unison, you can create a digital marketing strategy that's more than the sum of its parts. A balanced approach is key, as focusing too much on one area can lead to missed opportunities in others. Remember, the goal of digital marketing isn't just to attract visitors to your website. It's to convert those visitors into loyal customers. And for that, you need a holistic strategy that leverages all the digital marketing services at your disposal. So digital marketing services are the pillars of a thriving online business. Ready to leverage them for your success? Let's quickly recap our enlightening journey through digital marketing services. We've explored the essence of these services, from search engine optimization and pay-per-click to content and social media marketing, and finally, email marketing. We've also delved into how these services integrate to form a robust digital marketing strategy. Each service plays a vital role in driving online success, enhancing brand visibility, and fostering customer relationships. Remember, the power of digital marketing services is just a click away. So why wait? Start your digital marketing journey today.